guys, today we're making a Spain today. I'm sorry not saying this for Portugal. So in materials is green concrete, red concrete, yellow concrete, white concrete, and blue concrete. Okay, let's start. This looks is pretty massive. So go to this tree. We will make a 2. Now make a 3 again. Now let's make first make this one. Make a 3 now 1. Not concrete, sorry. Bending islands. So let's make 4. Make 7. Now let's make 5 upwards. Take 2. Another 2. 2 and another 2. Okay. Now let's make a 2 and 1. Like, see. Now let's go over here to the vertical. Make a 2, another 2, or 2 and a 1. Make a 3, 2, and 4. Now make a 4 and make a 5. Was there? No, don't care about that. A 4 and 3 and a 2 and another 2 and a 3. Now 7, I think. No. Now let's make a 4. Now next another 4 again. Now make a 2. This 2, 1, and this goes. Now let's make it yellow. Make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a 3, a 2, and another 3 2s. This one. A 1 and a 2, a 3. A 2. Yeah, that's pretty all. It seems like
Set the time to 71,000. Set the time to 78,000.
Now go over here and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, or just finish. Let's go here and let's go to this to us. Let's make a line. 2 dots or to do. Okay, now go here for we did in Portugal. Oops. And make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That blue concrete and yellow terracotta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Terracotta. No, yellow terracotta. See? Now leave a gap of 2, I think. I will go here. Now make a 3. No, make a 3 and 1 and another L shape.
Pag may pag-iyo po.
Now make this that. Now go here
Mangin yan.
to half. Make it this half. Now make it three.
Wala pa eh. Pero pag
One.
mga...
And this. Yeah. And just make this.
Halo na pagka...
Make a
high tide.
shapes. Make
Mga
four.
alas 11, alas... Ano?
And
Alas 12.
one and another one that's ground fish. Now get your pea concrete. And now get your red terracotta. L and two L shapes. Now red terracotta. 1, 2,
Hindi na kami
3, 4.
nakaligo.
Make a tree. Assembled out. Now just raise 2.
Dalawa pa lang ano niyan, 5.
4, 8. Hey, like and subscribe if you like this video. Bye guys.